Every year, the smartphone industry promises us revolutionary breakthroughs, but what is happening inside Apple's secret product development labs right now is unlike anything we have seen in over a decade. While most people are looking at the current flagship lineup, massive supply chain leaks, internal CAD renders, and confidential component orders from TSMC have officially exposed Apple's flagship monster, the iPhone 18 Pro Max. And this isn't just a minor incremental update. Apple is completely shifting its launch strategy, fundamentally redesigning the internal silicon architecture, introducing a mechanical variable aperture camera system, and finally solving the single most controversial design element on the front of the screen. If you were thinking about upgrading your phone anytime soon, you need to pause and pay attention, because the iPhone 18 Pro Max is engineered to make every current smartphone on Earth look instantly outdated. To truly understand why the tech world is in complete shock, we have to talk about Apple's radical shift in how they are launching these devices. For nearly 2 decades, Apple has adhered to a strict tradition. Every September, they unveil the standard iPhones alongside the Pro and Pro Max models. But behind closed doors, Apple is shattering that playbook. Multiple insider reports from supply chain analysts confirm that Apple is splitting the lineup. The base model iPhones are being delayed to a separate spring release window, leaving the September spotlight exclusively to the high-end flagships, the iPhone 18 Pro, the iPhone 18 Pro Max, and the ultra-luxury foldable iPhone. Why is Apple taking such a drastic risk? Because the engineering gaps between the standard models and the Pro Max are no longer just subtle camera tweaks, they are entirely different tiers of technology. Apple wants the iPhone 18 Pro Max to stand alone as an uncompromising, professional-grade workstation in your pocket, without budget constraints holding back its hardware capabilities. Let's dive straight into the crown jewel of this machine, the display and the front assembly. Ever since Apple introduced the Dynamic Island, users have had a love-hate relationship with it. It brought useful interactive software animations, but it still took up a noticeable chunk of screen real estate right in the middle of your content. According to leaked schematics from panel manufacturers, the iPhone 18 Pro Max finally delivers the visual breakthrough we have been waiting for, a dramatically shrunk Dynamic Island. How did Apple achieve this without sacrificing security? By successfully moving key Face ID hardware, specifically the infrared flood illuminator and dot projector, directly beneath the active display pixels. By hiding the invisible laser sensors under the screen, the physical cutout on the front glass shrinks down to a tiny, discrete pill shape that houses only the front-facing camera lens. You get an almost unbroken, edge-to-edge canvas on a massive 6.9-inch display, offering higher peak brightness, improved outdoor visibility, and next-generation OLED power efficiency that draws far less battery when displaying static images. Now, let me reveal what is happening under the hood, because the brain of this device is where Apple is executing its most expensive technological gamble in history. The iPhone 18 Pro Max will be the world's very first consumer device powered by a 2nm processor, the A20 Pro chip. To put this in perspective, current flagship smartphones operate on 3nm nodes. Shrinking the manufacturing process down to TSMC's 2nm and 2 node allows Apple to pack tens of billions of additional transistors into a microscopic footprint. Leaks indicate that TSMC informed Apple that these 2nm wafers cost over 50% more to produce than previous generations, which is precisely why this extreme silicon is being reserved for the Pro lineup. What does 2nm architecture actually deliver in real-world performance? We are looking at up to a 15% boost in raw CPU speed combined with a staggering 30% reduction in power consumption. But raw clock speeds are only half the equation. The A20 Pro incorporates a revolutionary packaging technology called wafer-level multi-chip module architecture. Instead of keeping memory modules separate on the main circuit board, the A20 Pro fuses the high-speed unified RAM directly alongside the CPU cores, GPU, layout, and neural engine inside a single unified silicon package. This virtually eliminates memory latency bottlenecks, allowing on-device artificial intelligence models, complex generative audio, real-time video rendering, and full desktop-class ray tracing games to execute instantaneously without generating extreme heat or draining your battery. And speaking of heat, Apple learned a severe lesson from thermal issues in prior generations. To handle the raw horsepower of the 2nm A20 Pro chip, CAD renders confirm that the iPhone 18 Pro Max features a redesigned chassis that is slightly thicker to accommodate a massive custom vapor chamber cooling system. Liquid vapor absorbs heat directly from the chip, disperses it across the dark titanium frame, and ensures that even during extended hours of 4K video recording or intensive gaming, the phone maintains sustained peak performance without thermal throttling. Now, let me take you to the camera array, because this is where Apple is making its biggest jump in mobile photography since the introduction of night mode. For years, smartphone cameras have used fixed aperture lenses. Whether you were shooting under blazing bright midday sunlight or in a pitch-black alleyway, the lens opening stayed locked at the exact same physical size. The iPhone 18 Pro Max breaks that limitation by introducing a mechanical variable aperture system on its 48-megapixel main camera. This isn't a digital trick or a software blur effect. Actual microscopic mechanical blades inside the lens housing physically expand and contract based on shooting conditions. In dim, low-light environments, the aperture opens wide to pull in massive amounts of natural light, slashing image noise and producing ultra-crisp night shots. In bright sunlight, the aperture contracts down, preventing blown-out highlights, sharpening edge-to-edge detail, and providing a natural, optical depth of field that gives photos a true cinematic, DSLR-like separation between the subject and the background. Alongside the variable aperture main sensor, leaks suggest Apple is upgrading the telephoto setup as well, testing custom teleconverter optics and a 3-layer stacked image sensor developed to increase dynamic range and eliminate motion blur on fast-moving subjects. The entire triple lens cluster sits on a slightly thicker titanium plateau designed to house these complex optical mechanical components. Connectivity is another area where Apple is quietly executing a massive coup. For years, Apple has relied on third-party modems for cellular data. The iPhone 18 Pro Max is set to feature Apple's homegrown custom cellular modem, the C2 chip. Engineered completely in-house, the C2 modem brings high-speed mmWave 5G capabilities with drastically lower power draw. Even more impressive, confidential documents reveal that Apple is expanding satellite connectivity beyond emergency SOS calls. With the iPhone 18 Pro Max, satellite links are rumored to support basic web browsing, Apple Maps navigation, and photo transmission in areas with zero cellular tower coverage. Paired with Apple's upgraded N2 chip for Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 6, wireless performance will be faster, safer, and far more stable in crowded environments. All of these high-powered upgrades mean nothing without a battery that can keep up, and Apple is delivering a huge capacity upgrade. Supply chain battery certifications confirm that the US version of the iPhone 18 Pro Max will feature a massive 5,567 mAh battery cell, the largest battery ever put inside an iPhone. When you pair a battery of that size with the 30% efficiency gains of the 2nm A20 Pro chip, you are looking at true multi-day battery life on a single charge. Visually, Apple is giving the Pro Max an aggressive, commanding aesthetic. Internal color leaks point to 4 distinct finishes: light blue, silver, dark gray, and a headline special edition color known as dark cherry, a deep, rich, luxurious red anodized onto the aerospace-grade titanium frame. With a 2nm chip, variable aperture camera mechanics, under-display Face ID technology, a massive 5,567 mAh battery, and custom satellite networking, the iPhone 18 Pro Max isn't just an incremental refresh, it is the culmination of Apple's long-term hardware vision. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on notifications so you don't miss our Day 1 teardown when Apple officially reveals the SMA. Chime, and drop a comment below. Are you holding out for the variable aperture camera on the iPhone 18 Pro Max, or are you looking at the new foldable iPhone? Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next deep dive.